Welcome to Santa's Workshop TV, where Christmas cheer is made right here. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas, my friends. Today, I'll share some jolly low-cost gift ideas for Mom that will make her Christmas extra special without emptying your stockings. First up, a homemade coupon book. Promise Mom breakfast in bed, help with chores, or even a big bear hug. These little coupons are worth more than gold to her. Next, create a memory jar. Write down favorite memories or things you love about Mom and let her open one each day. That's a gift that keeps giving. Write Mom a heartfelt letter or poem. Trust me, nothing melts a mother's heart faster than words straight from yours. How about baking cookies or fudge? Homemade treats are delicious, thoughtful, and perfect for sharing on Christmas Eve. Mom will also love it if you put together a photo collage or make a simple DIY ornament with family pictures. Every time she looks at it, she'll smile. So remember, Christmas gifts from Mom don't need to cost a fortune. A little love and thoughtfulness is the greatest gift of all. Ho, 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 Merry Christmas. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Until we meet again, stay jolly, be good, and keep the spirit alive all year long.